Hey, my name is Branch and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can add this progressive blur effect in your Figma designs. So although you cannot create this progressive blur effect natively within Figma, I'm going to show you how you can replicate this effect with just a few tweaks. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So the first thing that we need is a new frame, and what we are going to do is recreate the same effect within this frame. So the first thing that I'm going to do is select the ellipse tool and I'm going to create an ellipse around the frame like this. Let's set this to around 1200 pixels and let's align it where I want the progressive blur effect. Now select the shape that we have just created and fill it with a dark gray background. So for now I'm going to use 9 as the fill color and I'm going to reduce down the opacity to just 1%. As you can see, it's probably transparent right now, but we are going to add some effects. So the first effect that we are going to do is the background blur effect, and we are going to set this as our default value, which is 4. Now I'm going to add another effect, which is the layer blur effect, and we are going to set this at 64. So right now, as you can probably see, we have something similar to the progressive blur effect that we wanted to create. Now the only thing left is we are going to select the fill option, go to the blend modes inside the fill option and set this to soft light. Now make sure you don't select the blend modes in the appearance panel. You have to go to the fill option, and then in the fill option you have to change the blend mode of your fill color. And that's pretty much it. You can choose any text you want to place over the effect. Now make sure that this effect might not work with any kind of image. So if you're using a different image, the blur values needs to be changed. So what you need to keep in mind is you need to change the fill opacity, the layer blur amount and the background blur amount to get the desired effect. That was pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please like, comment and share it with your friends. Have fun. Bye bye.